Hey guys, John with Superior Conversions here, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out your old RV handle. Here we go. All right, so on a lot of trailers, the locks that come on here are plastic. This one is actually metal, and the reason I'm swapping it out is because I just bought this trailer and he didn't give me any keys for it. And obviously I want to be able to lock my door, so I'm just putting in a new lock that'll have new keys. My camper, that guy, has the plastic locks on. So at some point, I'll be ordering another one of these to do on that camper. But honestly, switching these out is really simple. So let's go. First thing I gotta do, pull the screws. 2, 3, 4, and then because this one has the deadbolt, there's a little bit of a latch on there. So pull that, then that comes off. Come around here onto the door side. Look at that. Need a knife. BRB. All right, got a knife. This one actually got some silicone on there the right way. Well, we'll just cut it. And that comes out just like that. New one, probably come attached. That pulls off. There's our new component. Grab your new plate. Get the rest of your hardware. Oh yeah, I guess that one did too. So this one comes with a little bit of a seal ring around it. Then slide that in. Everything lines up there well. Plate goes on. Plate goes on, line everything up. I'm not cinching it down yet. We're just holding everything in place. Got a little bit of movement. Then we're going to line up our inside panel, which is good because my deadbolt isn't working. And they give you 2 different sets of screws. We're going to do the longer one here. Again, don't over tighten them yet, because you just want to make sure that that is actually lined up where you need it to be before you go crazy with it. So I've got one in. This is not right. Okay, let's get another one in there quick. Sweet, deadbolt's working. Within just a little bit. Deadbolt's catching a little bit. Alright, so main thing I'm looking is to make sure the deadbolt functions, which so far it is. Well, it's moving good. I feel like this should be milled out. Got it on backwards. No, I don't. Maybe we don't actually need it. Let's see if it actually latches. Oh yeah, it latches pretty well. Oh, that's a smooth one. This one's much different. Yeah, you know what? Since we're here, let's just swap it out. And we're gonna make this so it closes a little bit tighter. We're just gonna slide the door catch into the trailer a little bit. Yeah, that's a pretty good seal. Let's see if she locks up. Well, yeah, that's locked. Deadbolt works. Sweet. There you go. That is how you can swap out your door handle in 10 minutes, if that. And all you need pretty much is a Phillips screwdriver. Standard, whatever you want to call it. Just make sure it's all tightened up. All right, see you guys on the next one. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and leave a comment about your favorite part. And then, if you want to see more videos, make sure to check out our channel for other camping videos, family adventure videos, and how we built our own off-grid cargo trailer camper. Make sure to subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we post new videos. We share every Saturday morning and every other Thursday afternoon. And keep an eye out for the random short videos that might get posted. Thanks for watching, and please share the channel if you know someone else who might enjoy this as well. See you on the next adventure.